Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom pages in Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. From there, open the Shop Designer section, where you manage your store's design and content. Next, look for the Pages option inside the designer. This is where you can create and manage additional pages for your store. Click on Add New Page, then enter a title for your page, such as About Us, Contact, Shipping Info, or FAQ. After that, add your content. You can write text, include images, or add important information that helps your customers understand your store better. Once you're done, review your page to make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. Finally, click Save and preview your store to ensure your new page appears in your navigation or footer menu. And that's it. You've successfully added custom pages in Big Cartel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.